The task I was assigned was a programming one, in which I had to program a VEX rover to find significant dark locations and avert any contact with pits and falls. For this program, I used several blocks of code in order to ensure the rover would avoid any obstacles it would come across. The first block is the when started block, which initiates the code. While the front eye of the rover detects no object, it is programmed to drive forward. However, as soon as the rover's front eye detects a green object, it is programmed to stop driving, turn right for 90 degrees and continue driving forward again while the front eye detects no obstacle or falls. This process continues for all obstacles colored blue and green, and finally stops on reaching a red color. The main block of code that is essential for this program to function is the eye sensing code, which enables the rover to avoid any falls.
The total distance you have to express that number as in terms of.
So what is scientific notation, like standard form?
Yeah, scientific notation means standard form. So you have to express that number in the standard form. So this is the 3 questions. I want you to quickly do this and post your working in the OneNote. And also if you could post like with an image showing the working or something like that with your image, if you could do that, that is also fine.